Hey CCN community, so in our other videos we played the miner actually creating the contract and getting it submitted to the bonding pool. So here we are now playing as the user or as a CCN community member or a token holder actually staking or bonding our CCN tokens to the contract. So here we could see my contract that has been created in my previous video. And now as a user, I'm going to want to go ahead and bond my CCN so I can earn an additional reward. So all I'm simply going to do is we'll see that this button here called stake is here. And we'll stake. I'll stake the max. So if I try to type a number that's larger than the maximum, it'll automatically fill in the maximum. So if I go to type 40, it goes straight to 36. So that's great. So I'll click the box that I have read and agreed to the staking service agreement, confirm, confirm. The transaction was successful. And now those CCN got sent to the smart contract or the bonding contract. So it is as simple as that. Now if we click this open to stake here, we could see that no other contracts are available to stake here, right? This one is sold out. It's raised the funds. Now it just needs to wait the 4 minutes left. Test environment in the real environment takes 3 days. And then once it is, it will actually be activated and you will begin getting your share of rewards. So now that I actually bonded my CCN or staked my CCN to a contract, I could actually see the details of the contract. So here we see the reward breakdown, that the miner gets 45%. This is the miner's wallet address. There's a referrer who's getting 5%. I'm getting 50%. So I'm only one staker, so I'm actually going to get that full 50%, which is great. And we can see the timeline now. So at about 8 o'clock, that's Eastern time, 8 o'clock Eastern time, this contract will actually be activated. It's 6 minutes in the test environment. So we'll just let that sit here. And once it is activated, it will then actually start to generate my rewards. Now, as a note, you'll be able to withdraw your rewards as they vest. So once you get a reward, it's the same thing as a miner where 25% you'll immediately get, and the other percent will actually have to vest over a 180-day period. So you'll have to sit and wait for the full reward to actually vest, and then you could withdraw it. But the CCN that is able to withdraw immediately, you could withdraw whenever. And of course, when the contract is over, you could withdraw your CCN. So if you wanted to go back and bond to another contract, you would go here, refresh the page, and if there's any contracts open and you see the staking reward is viable, you could then go ahead and do so. Now, if you have any questions, please feel free to join us in Discord. You'll be able to get any help there. You could open up a ticket if needed. And follow us on our social medias to stay updated on all the updates, if there is any updates to our bonding pool in the future. So it was a pleasure. Cheers.